Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today let's see how we can make vada. Not any ordinary vada, aval vada. Aval is one. It's made by rice. It has this brown color and it's very flat. They come in the same size as rice. And let's see how we can make vada with that. So let's see the ingredients. Let's go into the video. 1 cup amount of aval, and we also need 1 cup amount of water. Put it, let it to set for now 1 hour is finished. Aval has absorbed the water. It will be very soft like rice. Whenever we squeeze it, it will break into pieces. Now let's see the ingredients. Chopped up ginger. I chopped it into tiny pieces. Let's pour it. Next, we need chopped up green chilli. We have jeeragam and pepper seed. I took 10 pepper seed. If you guys want to add more, you guys can add. I have 1/2 onion chopped up. I chopped it very tiny. You need to chop it into tiny pieces. Now let's add. You guys can add how much salt you guys need. I'm just gonna put little. Then I'll add extra after some time. Let's add chopped up curry leaf. Now let's mix. Like this, you guys can mix with your hands. Mix it very well. Put your finger like this, dig from the bottom, then lift it like that. It will be a bit sticky. This. With your hand, put your hand under and take. Sometimes stuff will get stuck under, so you just need to pull it like that with your hand. Like this, mix it well. Guys, I put in chili powder because I like to eat it a bit spicy. If you guys wanted to eat it a bit spicy, you guys can also put chili powder. But I put little chili powder. Now I'm gonna put in salt. And I'm gonna mix. Make sure you guys taste it before you put in the salt. Sometimes you can put too much salt, that's why. I'm gonna mix it because last time I checked there was less salt, so I need to put in more salt. You guys also check it so you don't put the wrong amount of salt. Like just make a ball of your palm size, flat it, put a hole in the center, and then like this. Let's make more balls. You guys can use either your palm size or just make tiny little balls and you can make. I'm gonna use my palm size to make the balls even. Like this I mixed, but it does not stick on my hand, so I no need to put oil on my hand. If it's sticking for you guys, put oil on your hands. Then pat it and put a hole in the center. Like that, it's ready. Let's make many of them. Let's put them on a plate. Like this, make all of them. Now let's go and fry them. Add how much oil you guys need for frying. On the stove and put a pan. Next, wait for the pan to get a bit hot. Now let's pour in oil. So I poured in oil. Now let's wait for the oil to get hot. So like this, if you guys can check if the vapor is coming hot, that means the pan is hot. The oil is hot. If you guys are scared to throw them, just slowly put them on the spatula. I just take them, then slowly come. Just put them in. If you guys are scared, I'm one of the people who get scared while putting them in. Like this, put all of them in. Then, see guys, it's little brown. You guys can use a stick or like that. Just slowly flip it. They both get. Sometimes some of them stick together. Just flip them. After you guys flip them over, let them cook for a bit. We flipped it and both sides are cooked. Then you guys just, you guys know that hole. Put this stick through the hole and let the oil pour down. After it poured down, swipe and put it on a plate. Like this, let's do all of them. There are less bubbles. That means they are cooked and there are little things that need to be cooked. Now let's just put it down. Like that. Now they are ready. They are perfectly cooked and they have this nice golden brown color. And they look so yummy and they look very nice. Let's go and taste them. They also are very crunchy. They are ready. See? They are so beautiful. Let's taste them. It's very crunchy. If we cook it when it has this perfect color, that means it will be very crunchy. And it's very yummy. Outside will be very crunchy, then inside it is like a little soft and it's very yummy. It's good for eating evening time with tea. It's a nice snack and it's very easy to make. It's very easy to make this vada, and hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye.